Let me tell you that most of the profitable businesses today are run by one person with just a smartphone, internet access, and the right. Many entrepreneurs, I mean the big businesses today, started out as a sole proprietor, that is managing all their businesses, all the aspects of their businesses, all alone. I mean by themselves. So this one man business or a sole proprietor, it doesn't need a team, an office, or capitals in million to start making profits in this particular business. Okay, maybe you may not understand what I mean by one man business or a sole proprietorship. It means that it's a business owned and operated by one man, by one person, managing all the outcomes and all the aspects of the business, be it the profit, be it the loss in that particular business. It is only all done and operated by one person. So this kind of business, it doesn't matter where you live. You can start small, yes, and grow at your own pace. You can start with as small as what you have and grow at your own pace. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this particular video. But please, if this video is what you like to watch, please consider watch to the end, like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to turn on your notification bell to get you notified each time I upload a video. Please, all these are for free. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Let's dive into the video straight. So number one in my list is mini importation and reselling. So in this particular business, you can source this particular business using the platforms like Temu, Alibaba, or any local market close to you, or any other Chinese platform you know. So you can source these items from these particular people. Yes, you can source items like kitchen gadgets, phone accessories, skincares. You see, all those things, name them, they are plenty. You can source them. When you source them, when all those things delivered to you, what you need to do is you rebrand it, you package it very well, you sell it. You can sell it through your WhatsApp or any other social media platform. You can still sell it used in Jumia and all every other social media platform that you. But the only thing is that you make sure that you source the items that people are using. Like I mentioned earlier, I said that you can source like phone accessories, fashion things, skincares, and all of that. So by so doing, you can see that many people are into this mini importation. Yes. So you can even attest to that. But the only thing that will make this particular business to be more profitable is when you source items that people need. So before you go into this business, make sure that you make an inquiry the items that people need most. You understand? Number two is graphic design. If you can create flyers, logos, social media templates, this particular business is for you. You can do all this using your Canva, CorelDRAW, or Adobe Express. Yes. So, but you can decide to niche down to church, events, all these Instagram content services. You can decide to niche down to all this and make your money. You can charge them per design, or you can charge them by monthly package. So if you are good in designing flyers, logos, and every other thing designable, you are good to go in this particular business. You will make your money because people are out there looking for a good designers that can help them to design their brands using flyers or logos and all of that. So if you can be able to do this in this particular business is for you. Number three in my list is thrift fashion. Yes, if you have good eyes, you can go into this particular business. You know that in this Africa now, clothing items are very high. They are high, like expensive. But if you can go into this Thrift, you can still import it. You can still source it out from your local market that is close to you. But the only thing is that if you have good eye when it comes to fashion, when it comes to clothing, this particular business is for you. The only thing is, go to that market, source it out, come back, wash, iron them, style them, package them well, sell it to your WhatsApp, Instagram, all these social media platform. Yes. But the only thing is that is when you source the right thing that people are looking for. You understand? You don't just go and pick rags and come out and expect people to buy. No. I know that all those big clothes that people are selling in some of the boutiques is thrifted clothes. Yes, if you can agree with me. So if you have a good eye for fashion, you can go into this particular business. You can use your dispatch rider to dispatch them or pick up. So this particular business is profitable, and you alone can run it without a team or any other person around. You can do it yourself. So thrift business is a very good and lucrative business that one man can run, especially if you focus on women's fashion, women's clothing. You know what I mean? Yeah. Number 4 in my list is phone photography and video editing services. Yes, you heard me right. So these days, people are hiring content curators to cover their events like weddings, graduations, birthday parties, and all of that, because they believe that content creators have an eye for a short form videos that will go viral. So all you need for this particular business is just a good smartphone and editing app. Yes, so you are good to go. You can cover their events, like as I mentioned before, wedding, graduations, birthday party, and all of that. You can cover it with your phone. Yes, because their target is that particular short video that will go viral. Yes, and they trust content creators so much that they have an eye for that particular short video, that when they capture it and post, that the video will go viral. So if you know that you are good in this particular phone photography and video editing, know that this particular business is for you. Number 5 in my list is tutoring, both offline and online. Yes, if you are good at mathematics, English, and every other subject, even coding, yes, this particular business is for you. You can start with teaching kids around your areas, even in your home. You can bring them to your home and teach them, especially during exams, because parents are students are looking for a tutor that will teach their children during exam period. So if you can do this, you can still even create a worksheet, ebooks, and course templates that people can still use. You understand what I'm saying? So if you are good at these things, this particular business is for you. You can teach all these things and get paid. You can still teach you via Zoom or Telegram. Yes. So with this, you are good to go. Just share your learning skill, teach them. They are willing to pay. So if you are a tutor, many parents are looking for tutors that can teach their children, and they will also pay. So this particular business is for you. Number 6 is perfume oil. Yes, you can start this particular business with as low as any income amount you have, but you start business by learning the basic mixing techniques, sourcing the high quality ingredients locally or online. Yes, this particular business, you can use it as your side hustle, because anywhere you go, you can carry it and market it. You can still sell it through your WhatsApp and every other social media platform. This particular business is very, very lucrative. is in-demand product. So every day people like to always smell good, smell nice. So if you can be able to rebrand and package this your particular oil perfume very well, as in you package it that it will be attractive, people will buy. You still market it by yourself, people will buy. So these are the 6 businesses I have for you that one particular person can run without a team or having an office. So the key to this particular business is consistency, visibility, and good customer services. You can start small, grow smart, and earn consistently with or without team shop. So this particular business is very, very lucrative, and this sole proprietorship is a one-man business. So in this video, if you watch up to this moment, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down in the comment section the particular business out of these businesses I listed out that you will be trying, or if you think that there is any other one that I did not list out, list them out in my comment section. Thank you. Stay blessed and bye.